All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, I am here to let you know that starting from the 16th of this month, we are going to be starting a GitLab CI/CD 0 to Hero series. Now, in this series, we're going to cover everything you need to know, all right, about GitLab CI/CD. Basically, how to build a pipeline using GitLab CI/CD. All right, what are the variables that you need to know, like predefined variables in the GitLab CI/CD that you can use. And of course, we're going to talk about the GitLab architecture as well. So basically, we're going to talk about the GitLab instance, we're going to talk about the GitLab runner, and we're also going to be talking about the executor, all right, in GitLab. Now, it is not just that, we're also going to be touching on different aspects, all right, of GitLab, basically how to deploy, all right, your application using the GitLab CI/CD to AWS EC2, to Elastic Beanstalk, and also to your Kubernetes cluster. Now, we have a lot packed, all right, in this GitLab CI/CD series, and from the 16th of this month, the video will be dropping every day, all right, and then we're going to be covering different aspects that I mentioned. Now, another thing that I quickly want to share with us is that from the 14th of this month also, we're going to be dropping, all right, project videos once every week, all right? So which means the videos will just be focused on projects, which basically we're going to be deploying things on AWS, all right, using different methods, looking at different deployment strategy and things that we need to, all right, take note of. So from the 14th of this month, all right, we're going to be dropping videos, all right, project videos basically once every week, all right, teaching us basically how to deploy things, how to use things, and this is a project that you can actually put on your CV because the code will also be made available, all right, in the GitHub repository, so you can clone the repo, you can do these things on your own as well, all right, and all of that. Now, also, we are also going to be releasing, all right, another video on the 14th of this month as well that will teach you how to build a Kubernetes cluster from the scratch. All right, yeah, you heard that. How to build a Kubernetes cluster from the scratch. I mean, I know we all know about EKS, we know about GKS, we know about AKS, we know about COBS, we know about EKS, CTL, and a whole lot of ways by which you can actually automate the deployment, all right, the creation of a Kubernetes cluster. But in this video, we're also going to be looking at, all right, how to build a Kubernetes cluster from the scratch, all right, by your own self. I mean, when you do that yourself, you will appreciate the effort, all right, that has gone into the EKS managed cluster, the AKS managed cluster, and the other tools that we use to quickly spin up a Kubernetes cluster, all right, in a matter of minutes. When you understand how these things are built, all right, from the scratch, you will appreciate, all right, all of the things that AWS and all those other providers, all right, are doing for us. Okay, so make sure you save the date. Just to recap, on the 16th of this month, we're going to be starting a GitLab CI/CD series. On the 14th of this month, we're going to be dropping one video every week, all right, focused on hands-on project, all right, and then of course on that 14th as well, we're also going to be releasing our Kubernetes, all right, building Kubernetes cluster from the scratch, all right, series, all right, as well. And of course, that does not affect the already existing, videos that we're releasing, all right, for those who want to learn DevOps from the very basics, all right, up to the advanced level, all right. It doesn't affect that in any way. Okay, so thank you so much, all right, and just make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and make sure you like, all right, all our videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.